you think there's only one way to do the New Yorker? We are here to prove you right about that idea being super boring. It's time for
The New Yorkers
in Rumba. Bam! The classic New Yorker. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. With a ronde. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Starting with a handshake hold. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Head roll optional.
Quick tip for the leader, we have our handshake hold. 2, 3, left hand on top. And then we get right over both heads, left over mine, right over hers. 3 and 4. Here, I'm not gonna give her much of a lead. It's just a slight turn of the wrist if I want that head roll. And make sure that if you do lead that head roll, you know she's down to head roll. Some people aren't into that, so you might have seen that person doing head rolls. She can do head rolls.
A press line version. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The follower might want to step forward on this particular delay walk, but the leader needs to stop her before she places her weight forward.
Short elbow. If I wanted to check, I would keep moving and stop her too for a little bit later. Head loop, surprise New Yorker. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Quick tip for the leader. This particular move is going to make her think of an inside underarm turn while she'll do a swivel here. So I'm not leading that. What I'm actually leading is a New Yorker, and that's why this movement doesn't make a circle around her head. It makes a circle on a wheel to bring her hand down. 2. It's a very small difference. Then I just replace 3. Now her turn happens. I'm going to use that shoulder to turn her. 4. Then I get a regular hold right to left and oppositional New Yorker. 3, 4, 1.
Followers, your footwork is really just like a regular New Yorker. You're going to check forward and replace. Now, instead of turning back to face your leader, you're going to turn the opposite way to face the leader.
Pencil turn for the follower. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is a very challenging move to lead. We do what seems like a regular New Yorker too. Now, the real issue is here, this hand, you're gonna visualize it going circularly around her center. All right, that's super important. And that circularity is gonna turn her right on that spot. Let's do that again. So we have coming through, 2, around her center, catch, 3, 4. Come through, my right hand is circling her center, 3, 4. And followers, your part is very difficult as well. You're doing 1 1/4 turns. That takes a lot of lessons with Dance Insanity's spin course, so that's how you learn how to do that. So go to Dance Insanity, get it. But just make sure you keep your legs strong and straight if when in doubt. Let's try it one more time. And 4, 1, 2. As I close, 3, that turns her. 4. As I close, 3, 4, turns her.
Everybody knows the New Yorker, but not everyone knows how to do it super well. So at the end of this video, we're going to show you 3 ways that you can use to make your New Yorker supersized. you're new to dancing, check out our Rumba crash course. All the steps to get you rock and rolling in your Rumba.
Definitely. And be sure to subscribe to our channel because we post new stuff every single week. So hit that bell. You get the notification immediately.
3 techniques for a super good New Yorker.
Number 1, you must swivel on the ball of the foot. Number 2, that same ball of that foot has to stay on the ground as you check. Number 3, do a back walk before you step to the side for your basic.
I'm LiWen.
I'm Tytus.
We're from Dance Insanity, where everyone should dance.
Look forward to seeing you next time.
Yeah! Ciao.
This is a very challenging move to lead. So let's get it correct. What's gonna happen is, something's funny. You okay?
Yeah, it's really challenging to lead because if the follower loses balance, it's all your fault.
It's my fault. See how I'm sweating right now? That's why.
What I love about dancing is how I can express myself and my emotions without words.
Remember that, guys. If you want to get your woman to shut up, make her dance. Wrong answer, Mr. Titus, me.
You cannot escape from the New Yorker.
It's a trap.
No!
What?
That you can use 3 ways to...
Cut.
Why you laugh?
That was not a grammatically possible sentence. 2, 3, 4, 1.
Money!
Lots of money.
Show me the money.
Rich with spins. Okay, so nice.
Was it good?
It was good.
Are you sure it was good? Was it good? Was it good?
It was good.
Was it good?
Was good. Was good.
Was it good?
Quick tip for the leader. If you do this particular, you okay?
It's our dramatic Zoolander look.